This is how much I made from selling one single digital product in a single month, and this was without having an online store. So what if I told you that there are digital products out there that you can sell with or without having an online store that can make you extra money this year? Now in this video, I will be showing you 4 beginner-friendly digital products that are still unsaturated and guaranteed to sell even if you have been struggling to stand out in a crowded market. Now the very first one is AI prompts. AI is literally blowing up right now, and it makes things easier, and literally you can be able to do almost anything online with AI, from writing articles to brainstorming ideas, writing code pitches, resumes, creating AI generated pictures and videos, you name it. There are so many uses for it. But the thing is, not everybody knows how to use AI effectively. Why? Because most AI tools require that you feed in prompts, and the kind of prompt you feed AI will determine the quality of output you get. And it could feel frustrating when you are trying to achieve a certain result, but you do not just know the exact prompts to feed into AI to get the actual results that you want. And that is where AI prompt becomes useful in achieving actual problems. For example, what if I told you that I scripted this video right now with AI, or that I made the avatar you're seeing on your screen right now? I generated it with AI. I even made this avatar show expressions with AI, and I did them all using prompts. So basically, you can create pre-written instructions that help people get better results with AI tools like ChatGPT, Jasper AI, or even graphic design tools like Midjourney. For example, you could create prompts for writing Instagram captions, blog posts, or even brainstorming business ideas. I will be attaching a link at the end of this video where I showed you how to use AI to generate an income strategy guide tailored to you. I'll be leaving it at the end of this video. It's super amazing what AI can do. So now, how do you create these AI prompts? To create these prompts, you just need to spend some time experimenting with different tools and testing prompts until you get results that are repeatable. So for example, if you are a graphic designer and you want to generate prompts with regards to some certain results you want to see in graphic design, it's already your niche, so you know the standard of quality that you should be expecting in the results. You can package them into a PDF and sell. You can also sell AI prompts that you are already using to get results in your business or in your day-to-day life. Now, how can you sell these AI prompts? The better way I would suggest is selling to your own audience. Well, what if you do not have an audience? Well, I will show you how to do that in the later part of this video. Now, the second one is probably the most common one that you must have heard in the mouth of every creator talking about digital products, and that is ebooks. However, ebooks are still one of the easiest ways to make passive income online, because as long as you are offering a solution to a certain problem, ebooks will always be in demand. The key to ebooks is writing about something specific that people are already searching for or searching for answers to. It could be an ebook on mind management with ADHD, or how to manage postpartum depression, how to lose weight without hitting the gym, how to get rid of stretch marks, or even quick recipes for busy moms. Now, how do you write an ebook? For ebooks, you can simply write it up on Google Docs, or you can simply leverage on Canva. You just want to search an ebook in the search bar, and it will bring a whole lot of templates that you can easily edit and, of course, create an ebook easy peasy. With ebooks, you want to keep them simple and pack it with value. And once it's ready, you can sell it on platforms like Amazon, KDP, Gumroad, or Seller. You can sell it to your audience. And if you do not have an audience at all, here's what you can simply do. You look through all the social media platforms and you pick one that you feel you can work best with. You focus on a single social media platform, whether it's Instagram, Facebook, Twitter, or YouTube. For me, it was literally Instagram, and you want to start building your audience by continuously posting about whatever niche you prefer. Now, ebooks are awesome because you create them once and you can keep selling them for months and even years. So if you create them or you create content around them, people will keep getting interested and keep going to buy your ebooks. By the way, if you're finding this super helpful, make sure to like this video and subscribe to this channel for more helpful videos. Now, the third digital product on the list that is guaranteed to sell is templates. Now, templates are simply models or patterns from which other products are based or derived. For example, it could be, like I gave, a Canva design template, or it could be Photoshop design template if you're a graphic designer. It could be budget trackers, planners, social media designs, or even client proposal templates for freelancers. The list is super endless. They save people time and effort. You already have the designs, you already have the patterns. You just need to tweak the text, titles, the fonts, or the colors, depending on whichever you prefer. Now, once you have a few templates ready, you can sell them on Etsy, Gumroad, or even bundle them with other digital products just to give it more value. You can also offer them as a freebie to build your email list that you would eventually upsell your other digital products to. And of course, the thing with templates is typically they do not cost much if you actually intend to sell them instead of giving them as a freebie. You can actually sell them at a low ticket offer, and it will make it even easier to convert it to cash. Now, number 4 is training video. Now, this is one of the most engaging products that you can create, believe me. For me, this was one of the digital products that earned me a lot of money. All you need to do is to think of anything or any skill you're proficient in that is in demand. It could be anything. It could be how to do wig revamping. It could be how to braid your hair yourself. It could be how to paint. Do not have to overthink it. You can use your phone, just record your phone, or use free tools like Loom or Zoom. With training videos, people don't care about perfection. They care more about the result. They care about the value you give in the video. When I sold my training video, at first I was skeptical, but then it made me realize that people buy because of the value you bring, based on the perspectives you bring it to them, not because you have the fanciest camera and all. You can also bundle them with ebooks or templates for more value. And of course, you want to sell them to your audience that is within your niche. Now, the cool thing about videos is that they are easier for people to consume. In this digital age and time, people are more drawn to what they can see, what they can watch. It's easier for them to consume, and if you make them practical, they will definitely sell. And don't even think that you do not have any skill. By the time you watch the video, you'll be amazed about how much you can do and how much you can generate from what you can do. So I'll be attaching it to the end of this video. You can go ahead and check it out. Ciao.